guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Mirwan and you are watching Mirwan Daily Vlogs. तो भाई आज तुसी सोच रहे हो कि मैं ਇਹ ਜੀ ਡਰੈਸ ਕਿਉਂ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਰਿਸਟਬੈਂਡਸ ਕਿਉਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਿਡ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ YPS ਦਾ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਡੇ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਡੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਮੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਡੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਡੰਬਲ ਪੀਟੀ ਹੈ ਡੰਬਲ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੀਟੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਮੰਮਾ ਪਾਪਾ ਆਹ ਵਲੌਗ ਬਣਾਉਣਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਮੰਮਾ ਪਾਪਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਤਾਂ ਗਾਇਸ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ अन्नी सी गाइस ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲ ਪਿਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇ ਗਾਇਸ ਰੋਡ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਯੂ ਟਰਨ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਗਾਇਸ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਵੀ ਘੁਮਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕਦੇ ਘੁਮਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਪੂਰੀ ਸਰਹੰਦ ਰੋਡ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵੱਲ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਤੇ
वो जिप्सी देखो जिप्सी का की हाल किया जनरेटर बनने में नाल है
मैं स्कूल जाने लग गया
बाय बाय
बाय
वजह खालसा पत्ते जी जाओ काका जी तुसी कब मुड़े पार्किंग भी फुल है चलो सीट लो पहले चल के हुण हाँ
Please join the groups.
So, golden and silver jubilee batches, old Yadvindras of all other batches, distinguished guests present.
Leading the march past is Vardhan Mansal, the school captain. Vardhan excels as a national level squash player and founder of Donation Library, an NGO promoting knowledge accessibility for the underprivileged. Janat Sachdeva, as well as the ECA prefects, Hiren Jain and Ronak Sharma. Behind them, we have Hafsat Barar, the girls boarding house prefect, and Sumer Sidhu, the Dhanaram house prefect. We also have Parth Thiman and Priti Jain from Mahindra House, and then we have Aryan Puri and Inayat Gill from Fulkia House. The 3 Punjab Air Squadron of NCC is being led by Riyan Arora, a talented cadet from 9P. As just the best cadet from Patiala region in NCC, he had the honor of attending the prestigious Republic Day Parade camp. Riyan's athletic prowess shines through in his impressive performance at the Soroto Cup Football Championship, where he secured the 6th position in North India among 1,250 players. The flag bearer for the contingent is Lavanya Chopra. Her recent attendance at the Republic Day Parade camp showcases her dedication to NCC. Lavanya's versatility is evident in her achievements. She won a gold medal in district boxing and actively participates in inter-house sports events. Additionally, she is an accomplished debater. Punjab Army Wing contingent of NCC is Rehmat Bedi of class 9, a hockey enthusiast who aims to make a career in sports. Rehmat's passion for sports drives him to excel, as evident in his gold medal win at the Under-17 Punjab Khel Mela. He also attended the Hockey Nationals camp, further honing his skills. The flag is being carried by Kashi Sokat of class 9P, a state-level judo player. Her recent attendance at the Military Fest at Welham Boys School, Dehradun, demonstrates her commitment. Leading the 4 Punjab Girls Battalion of NCC is Vanya Singla. A platinum holder and a keen shooter, Vanya won the 3rd position in an inter-school folk dance competition earlier this year and attended the Military Fest at Welham Girls School, Dehradun. Right behind Vanya, we have Guntas Sidhu, proudly carrying the flag for the Girls Battalion. Her representation of YPS at the IPSC IT Fest last month showcases her technical skills. Beyond academics, Guntas excels in basketball and expresses her creativity through poetry. Leading the Dhanaram House contingent is the house captain, Mohin Rahman. Captain of the school cricket team, this national level player is also an IIYP silver medalist. He keenly participates in dance club conferences and NSS programs. The flag bearer for the Dhanaram House is Gunraj Kaur, the house captain. The state level silver medalist in skeet shooting has been selected for the National Shotgun Championship to be held in December this year, and held at Oxford University in England last year. The Mahindra House contingent is being led by Vedant Singh, the house captain. He is an outstanding shuttler and won a silver in the IPSC badminton competition and a gold medal each in zonal and district badminton matches. He also participated in the recently concluded National AFS Summit at Indore. Vedant actively participates in IYP and NSS drives and has an NCC A certificate to his credit. The flag bearer for the Mahindra House is Anvi Gupta, the house captain. She is the vice captain of the girls hockey team with an A-grade certificate of NCC to credit of the YPS Mountaineering Expedition. She recently participated in MU20 Summit organized by AFS. Leading the Fulkia House contingent is the house captain, Mankomal Singh. An IIYP Silver awardee, Mankomal is the captain of the IPSC lawn tennis team and bagged a gold medal in the CISC regionals. He often participates in demonstrated consistent academic excellence throughout his school years. An active participant in sports, NSS and IIYP, Sabiha performed well at the Oxford MUN last year. She also won the gold medal in the State Shotgun Shooting Championship in the double cap event in junior women category and has been awarded the title of Aspiring Shooter besides qualifying for the pre-national championship. Now let me draw your attention to the pivot of this parade, that is our school band playing the patriotic tune of India Gate. The band leader, Asir Sidhu, has been a part of the band for 3 years now. No wonder this drum major is handling his mace with elan and grace. Some of you may have already noticed this, but let me draw your attention to some new beginnings. This year, like never before, we have YPS Patiala girls marching as a part of the school band. The horse riders contingent is being led by Ria Puri of class 11 on Hidalgo. Ria has been a prominent member of IPS's horse. The annual sports day at Yadvindra Public School is a highly anticipated event, proudly occupying a prominent place on the school's calendar. This momentous occasion marks the culmination of a year's worth of dedication, perseverance, and passion for sports. Despite the competitive spirit that defines the day, it is the festive atmosphere that sets the tone, filling the air with joy and enthusiasm. YPS's rich history is
I declare the 76th Inter-House Athletics Meet 2024 of Yadvindra Public School, Patiala open.
And the glory of sports.
athletes Gulnaz Kaur Dhillon, Hiren Jain, Shaurya Goyal and Dilshan Singh Daniwal. Coming in with the ceremonial torch is Gulnaz Kaur Dhillon. Gulnaz bagged 1 gold, 2 silver and a bronze medal at the National Fencing Championship and also 4 gold medals at the Kheda Watan Punjab Diya this year. She has participated in over 12 national tournaments. Gulnaz is a National Center of Excellence athlete. She is ranked amongst the top fencers in junior category in India by the Sports Authority of India. Not only does Gulnaz enthusiastically participate in sports, but she is also keen about Olympics. Is Dilshan Singh Daniwal. Dilshan often leads his house teams to victory in the inter-house football and basketball tournaments. He participated in the recently concluded CISC Nationals and bagged a silver medal and a gold medal. Torch relay and torch lighting ceremony was introduced in 1936 games in Berlin. Ladies and gentlemen, the cauldron has been lit. Here we have 96 of our foundation wing students.
I must share with him that such is the young riders' affinity with the horses that they made me promise that I would take the names of the horses each time I mention the riders. They love to narrate stories of the christening of these horses. Each time, each name has been carefully selected by the children. Most of these are named after famous war horses. We have Pahuli Singh on Hidalgo. Ivana is riding Tiger. On Fabio, we have Rehan. Holding the reins of Marvelous is Jasmeher. Controlling Hema, we have Anudeep Kaur in the saddle. Prithvi is able. At the Patiala Horse Show this year, he received a silver medal in pole bench held at Khalsa College this year. Now, we have Akshpreet Singh riding Fabio. Akshpreet's dedication and skill have earned him various medals in equestrian. He won a gold medal in the Aravali Horse Show. He also won a bronze medal in boxing at the Punjab Khed Mela. Akshpreet had the first place to his credit in the 200-meter race at the school athletics meet. He also won a gold medal in karate at the national level.
ਇਹ ਪੱਕਾ ਗਿਰਦਾ ਜੀ, ਇਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਉੱਚੀ ਹਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਵਾ।
Riding Tiger, Gurveer participated in basketball IPSC in Pune. At the district level shot put competition held at Bathinda, he won a silver medal. He also participated in the Khalsa College Military Festival and held the certificate for commendable efforts in the Punjabi creative writing competition. I request the track and field in charges and participants to take their positions immediately.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now in progress, here the 100-meter race for the under 14 boys. Now we have the thrilling 4x200-meter relay.
The track umpires and judges to please note that even the veteran OYs, they would like to go for 100-meter race and also the Golden Jubilee. So please keep it to mind. Mr. Devinderjeet Singh Mehta, Mr. Lokesh Kochal, Mr. Narendra Pal Singh Aulak, Mr. Paramveer Singh Garewal, Mr. Pushpinder Singh Garewal, Mr. Ravinder Pal Singh Aujla, Mr. Rup K. Bhatnagar, Mr. Virender Luthra, and Mr. Krishan Mohinder Singh. Reunions can make amazing things happen. It is the same school, the very same track, only humans have moved on gracefully, embracing new roles in the journey of life. Yet the memories of being together are frozen in time and beautifully preserved. Way back, standing on this track, the young athletes must have eagerly waited for the starter's gunshot and charge ahead at the speed of light. Let's clap louder for the camaraderie here in the stadium today. Louder still. We thought the boys and girls would run together, but the girls have their own way. That was quite a sprint.
Oh.
With the speed of a youngster.
पर 72 छात्र छात्राओं का दल अपनी विभिन्न मुद्राओं द्वारा योग आसनों की छटा बिखेरने के लिए सामूहिक रूप से प्रस्तुति के लिए मूल आधार योग ही है। ये हमारे मन और शरीर की एकता का प्रतीक। पहली प्रस्तुति ताड़ासन। ये आसन शरीर को मजबूत और स्थिर बनाता है। ये खून के बहाव को सुधारता है और पैरों से लेकर सिर तक की मांसपेशियों को बल प्रदान करता है। वृक्षासन। इस आसन से संतुलन में सुधार आता है और मानसिक तनाव कम होता है। यह आसन नियमित अभ्यास से घुटनों को मजबूत करता है और ध्यान केंद्रित करने में सहायक है। पर्वतासन। इससे पीठ मजबूत होती है और लंबाई बढ़ाने में यह मदद करता है। इस आसन से रोग प्रतिरोध क्षमता बढ़ती है और रक्त संचार सक्रिय होता है। उष्ट्र आसन और पूर्ण उष्ट्र आसन। ये रीढ़ की हड्डी को मजबूती प्रदान करता है। यह आसन श्वास क्रिया को सक्रिय करता है और गले की ग्रंथि को संतुलित करने में मदद करता है। कपोत आसन और पूर्ण कपोत आसन। इस आसन से मन को शांति तथा स्थिरता मिलती है और ध्यान में सुधार आता है। ये कमर दर्द से मुक्ति दिलाने में सहायक है और पाचन तंत्र को सुचारू रूप से कार्यशील बनाता है। गौमुख आसन। इस आसन से जोड़े और रीढ़ की हड्डी मजबूत होती है। यह कंधों के दर्द से आराम दिलाता है और छाती की मांसपेशियों को खींचकर सांस लेने की क्षमता को सुधारता है। भुजंग आसन। इसे सर्पासन भी कहते हैं। इसके अभ्यास से शरीर और मन दोनों स्वस्थ रहते हैं। ये यकृत की कार्य क्षमता को बढ़ाता है और शरीर में स्फूर्ति का संचार करता है। थकान को कम करता है और शरीर को लचीला बनाता है। इस आसन से हृदय स्वस्थ रहता है और शरीर में ऊर्जा का संचार होता है। साथ ही चिंता दूर करने में भी यह आसन सहायक है। मध्य के 7 विद्यार्थी तालबद्ध अग्रिम आसनों की प्रस्तुति करेंगे। इन आसनों में प्रमुख हैं शीर्षासन, नटराज आसन, हनुमान आसन, पूर्ण उष्ट्र आसन और भ्रूमासन। इस दौरान बाकी के विद्यार्थी सूर्य नमस्कार का अभ्यास करेंगे। तालबद्ध योगा परंपरागत योगा का एक ऐसा स्वरूप है जो हमारे प्राचीन ज्ञान को आधुनिक रंग में प्रस्तुत करता है। इस विधा में योग के आसन, प्राणायाम और लय का एक सुंदर संगम होता है। ये न सिर्फ शरीर को मजबूत और लचीला बनाता है बल्कि मानसिक स्थिरता और एकाग्रता को भी बढ़ाता है। नियमित अभ्यास से विद्यार्थी न सिर्फ शारीरिक रूप से स्वस्थ रहते हैं बल्कि उनकी एकाग्रता और स्मरण शक्ति में भी वृद्धि होती है। मुझे यह बताते हुए अति हर्ष हो रहा है कि हमारे प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थियों ने कई प्रतियोगिताओं में विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया है। CISC रीजनल योगा ओलंपियाड में कक्षा 6N की वेदांगी बंसल ने स्वर्ण पदक, कक्षा 7O की एकम कौर शेरगिल ने रजत पदक और कक्षा 8B के खुशहाल जैन ने स्वर्ण पदक प्राप्त किए। इन तीनों ने CISC नेशनल योगा ओलंपियाड में भी विद्यालय का गौरवपूर्ण प्रतिनिधित्व किया। तीसरी कक्षा के 3 होनहार विद्यार्थी अद्रिजा गुप्ता, तन्वी गोयल और आयरा बंसल ने इंटरनेशनल योगा स्पोर्ट्स कप में भाग लिया, जहां अद्रिजा ने स्वर्ण पदक प्राप्त किया। पंजाब राज्य योग आसन चैंपियनशिप में भी हमारे विद्यार्थियों ने अपनी प्रतिभा का उत्तम प्रदर्शन किया। नवदिजा सुखेजा ने रिद्मिक वर्ग में स्वर्ण पदक, आर्टिस्टिक एवं ट्रेडिशनल वर्ग में कांस्य पदक प्राप्त किए। एकम कौर शेरगिल ने रिद्मिक वर्ग में स्वर्ण पदक और खुशहाल जैन ने आर्टिस्टिक वर्ग में स्वर्ण पदक प्राप्त किए और विद्यालय के मान को बढ़ाया। इन सब विद्यार्थी एक विशेष आकार की रचना करेंगे। जैसे जैसे ये कलाकार योगा शब्द का निर्माण करते हैं, हम देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह योग हमारे जीवन को आकार देता है। जिस तरह इन बच्चों ने मिलकर इस शब्द को साकार किया है, उसी तरह योग भी हमारे शरीर, मन और आत्मा को जोड़कर एक संपूर्ण स्वरूप प्रदान करता है। इस
We have the little children of the foundation wing showcasing their enthusiasm for physical fitness and health awareness with an inspiring display for society. The energetic fitness enthusiastic Petru, Sabrine, Gulnagar, Sonaya and Anisa are guiding and 3 doing aerobics on the song Dance Our Kudro. The students regularly do aerobics throughout the year. Right now in front of you, we have 103 boys and 115 girls. It is always a pleasure to share the remarks of the soldier of MS next to whom the cover of MS. Physical fitness is a fundamental aspect of a person's well-being and development. In today's world, with sedentary activities often compete for our time and attention, understanding the importance of physical training and exercise has become critical. It maintains muscles and bones, improves sensory and motor skills, and can be a real energy booster. In front of you, Dumbbell PT. Amongst the students performing before you, dear audience, we have Arpan Singh Chakra of class 5N, who has participated in the central level athletics competition. He bagged a bronze medal in the 100-meter race and a gold in long jump. We also have Rangatpreet Kaur of class 5O, who has participated in the Kheda Watan Punjab Diyan state level competition and bagged a silver medal in 100-meter backstroke and another bronze in 50-meter backstroke. She also participated in the state level competition held in Mohali. These exercises are usually performed en masse in the morning to remove laziness and prepare the muscles for the day. As a group of exercises, they are also used for warming up before playing the vigorous sport and cooling down of the body later. The added benefit is the enhanced energy and enthusiasm that stays with the students throughout the day. The school stadium has been a witness to and the site of many important sporting events in the past. Right from the widely publicized Indo-Pak Games in 2004, when the ground and its environs were refurbished and the overlooking spotlights installed, important city and state level functions such as the Independence Day and Republic Day were ritualistically celebrated here. The stadium has resonated with applause for every passing year, and just as the rest of us, it embraces this momentous year too, with poise and fulfillment. Ladies and gentlemen, let me also take the opportunity to share with you the praiseworthy achievements in sports of our students in 2024 in a chronological order. Prithpal Singh Aurang of Class 10 won the gold medal in the Under-17 boys category in the IPSC Shooting Championship 2024. Nian Gupta of Class 5M won the Best Player Award in the Under-12 and Boys category in the IPSC Tennis Championship held at the Genesis Global School, Noida earlier this year. Preetinder Singh won the gold medal in 10-meter air pistol competition under the sub-junior category in the 16th District Shooting Championship held at Singaroo. Pardeep Kaur of Class 11 won the gold medal in the 19th District Rifle Shooting Championship held at Marksman Shooting Academy, Patiala. Kalwaya of Class 7 won the gold medal in the 13th Sub-Junior Shooting Championship held in June this year. Adishwar Singh Chahal of Class 9 won the first position in the event 5 IGU Sub-Junior Feeder 2 held at the Ekta Golf Club, Meerut. Shorter Gold of Class 12 won the gold medal in discus throw and the silver in shot put in the CISC Athletic Zonals in the Under-19 category held in July 2024. Rhythmic dance is the flow and timing of sounds or steps that create a sense of
ਹੋਰ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਉਹ ਜਵਾਕਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈਲੋ ਲੈਂਸ ਤੇ
representing passion, ignites a fire within to pursue his dreams, fueling his creativity, innovation, and perseverance.